In this video we're going to look at basic algebra notation. So let's start off with multiplication. 5 multiplied by x. In algebra we don't write the multiplication symbol. That is a convention to use, that we write it like this, 5x. So notice we've left out the multiplication symbol on the right hand side. That is because this can get confused with the letter x. Let's take a look at division. X divided by 10. It is convention in algebra not to use this symbol, so we simply write this as x over 10, or we can write it in one line as x over 10 with the forward slash. On a computer it would look like this. Okay, what about a multiplied by a? Once again, we don't use the multiplication symbol. There, we would write this as a squared. Or we can write it as a in brackets and a multiplied by a. Let's take a look at some equations. 3x plus 2. This says we multiply x by 3, then we add on 2. So this is the same as saying x plus x plus x, then plus 2. What about 4x take away, in brackets, take away 1? This equation says we multiply everything in brackets by 4. So we've got this x minus 1 in brackets, so this needs to occur 4 times. So this is the same as saying x minus 1 one time, plus another time, plus another time, plus another one. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We now only have minus and addition on the right hand side here, so we can eliminate the bracket. So we have x minus 1 plus x minus 1 plus x minus 1 plus x minus 1. Let's now group like terms. So we have how many x's? They're all positive. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x, and let's group the numbers. We have all negative numbers and they're all 1, and we have 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have, if we add all those numbers up, we get negative 4. And 4 times x minus 4 is equal to 4 times, in brackets, x minus 1. We can do this a quicker way by expanding the brackets. 4 times x and then 4 times negative 1. Notice we get the same thing. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. What about x to the power 3 plus 5? If we expand this, we can see we have x multiplied by itself 3 times. So this is x times x times x plus 5. Let's take a look at division. Y over 6 plus 2. We can see we have some variable divided by 6 plus 2. We don't write it like this in algebra, we write it like this. Okay, what about y plus 2 over 8? This can be written as y over 8 plus 2 over 8, because the y belongs to the 8 belongs to the y and it also belongs to the 2. We also have other conventions we use. One other convention we use is that a variable to the power of 1 is itself. We also have 0 plus anything is equal to the same thing. And we also have that 1 times anything equals the same thing. We don't normally write the 1 here because it doesn't change anything. Okay, so that completes the lesson on some basic algebra notation.